welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in a minute, but there's reasons for that. I just got a new account and I just started my account and everything, and it's definitely an interesting job. I'm doing a Dollar Tree account, so I'm having to like do like hard maneuvers and unload the truck. And that is like, I mean, I don't mind the work, but I feel like it's too much work and it's not enough money. You feel what I'm saying? It's not enough money. It's not enough money. So, I mean, I feel like, you know, sometimes people show me, like, you know, I got trained and they show me their checks and stuff. But to me, it's not a, like, oh man, I feel like I'm working too hard, you know. I didn't get my CDL so that I could work harder than I did the last job. The last job I worked at Amazon, and Amazon was a laborious job. It was a lot, and I didn't want to do it mainly because of the people. You know, this is more of a personal thing. So I mean, like, not personal thing, but more of an independent type of situation, which I like. You know, I really like that. I get to listen to my music, get to eat when I want. You know what I'm saying? Take my breaks when I, you know what I'm saying? So it's way better than Amazon, and it's more money, of course, but it's a lot of work. And am I a quitter? I'm not a quitter. And I'm young. I'm 22, so it's like it's not like I can't do the work. It's not like I can't do the job. I can do it, you know. But I can do it, but I don't know, you know, and I don't want to complain either because I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm not going to complain because I'm grateful. So, you know, you can always change accounts. You can always change jobs. As long as I keep my record clean, you know, me getting a job is not going to be a problem as far as CDO goes. It's been fun. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I got my little cab. Look, I got my cab, and I got 2 beds. I got a refrigerator that I had to buy though. I asked for a refrigerator because, like, this account, it's like I'm sweating a lot. I'm hot, and I need agua. You know what I'm saying? I need water. You feel what I'm saying? So they didn't put a refrigerator in my truck, and I feel like when people on certain accounts, they should have a refrigerator in their truck. Like, literally, that should be a necessity. Like, I didn't have a refrigerator, so I had to buy one. I don't like the refrigerator like that, but I probably have to get another one. But you know, but I really like my truck. It's not the best truck. It's not a new truck. You know what I'm saying? I already got some 220 miles in it already. Just cool. Yeah. Everything just been a ball. You know what I'm saying? We just ball. We fun. We chicken. Yeah, I like this so much better. I'm not gonna lie. I like this so much better than just being at a counter and, you know, not being able to talk or not being able to, you know, do what you want to do because somebody's always watching. This is not like that. This is a totally different scene, and it's like you're independent. Nobody's bothering you. You can talk to whoever you want to talk to at any time, at any time. Nobody's telling you gotta go to sleep. Nobody's like, you know, no, you got a boss, of course. You got a manager, but I feel like handling your business is something like that I always did. So it's not like a big deal. You know, I always handle my business. That was nothing that nobody had to question me about as far as like working, because I work. You know what I'm saying? I handle business. But, you know, I think that was the biggest thing. You know, somebody's not telling you what to do 24/7. And if you are young, you should definitely get your CDL. But I recommend you getting it through a company. Do not purchase your CDL out of your own pocket. I do recommend people getting their CDL do like another third company. Like, if you gotta work offers that opportunity, and take that, because you're going to be able to make money, and you're also going to be able to take, advantage of their benefits, and it'll allow you to, that would allow you to save money and also, get a new career at the same time, because that's what I did. So if you want to get your CEO, get it through a third company. Do not save money and just do it like that. I mean, you can do it like that, but you're gonna be out of work for probably about a week or two. And if you don't pass that test the first time, you're gonna be out of work for another week, and another week, and another week if you're not passing that test. So just take your time with it, and take your time, and just find a company that's willing to give you that opportunity. Because getting a CDO is not cheap. It's not $1,000. That's it. Mine was $5,000. In my company, it was $5,000. But some people pay $10,000. Some people pay $8,000. Some people pay $7,000. You feel what I'm saying? So it just depends on where you go. I went to 160 driving. They got Roadmaster. Well, Roadmaster is going to charge you. I'm just letting you know that. 160 is not like the best company, and if you just want a company to go through, but you already know, go through 160. They're not as professional, but they're cheaper. You know what I'm saying? They're way cheaper. So it just depends on how your money goes. If you got the money, if you got $10,000 to spend on Roadmaster, go ahead and do Roadmaster. If you got $5,000 to spend on 160, spend that $5. I guarantee you spend that $5. Just spend the $5, not the $10. But yeah, I like being a truck driver. I think it's an interesting job. It's very. I really like being able to be myself, and go different states and different places, experience life in a different way, and I enjoy it. I mean, I enjoy it. It is hard. It is hard, and you got to be very cautious because you're driving a fucking truck. This motherfucker will crush somebody, and that's my only concern. It's like people are not concerned for their life. Why you want to cut in front of me? Why do you want to play like this is not no big ass truck and it won't crush your little ass? Like, you would get your ass crushed in this monster. I'm telling you. And you know the thing about it is, I'm gonna feel bad too, cause even though you got in front of me, I'm gonna feel bad, bro. And you know what happens if you crush somebody? You going to jail. That's the sad part. That is the saddest part ever. It's like, what the fuck you mean? I'm going to jail. They cut in front of me. But I understand. But people want to cut in front of you. People don't want to be considerate. People want to play games with their life. Russian roulette with their life. That is not cool. Do you love yourself or you don't? Because people be doing weird stuff, especially in these streets, and you got to just be super duper cautious when it comes to it. And that's my only concern. It's like, jeez, these people don't love themselves. But they be trying to die. That's why I usually drive kind of slow. I don't even drive the speed limit. Because, especially, I don't even drive the speed limit. I just drive a little bit slower than that. So people can sit up here and maneuver around me because they're going to do it anyway. I just don't want to be driving 60 miles per hour, 60, 70 miles per hour while doing it. Because I don't want to hurt nobody. And I don't want to go to jail. That's why, this is a good industry, but it's not. But it's like a scary one, if that makes sense. It's a good industry, but it's a scary industry. This is an industry where if you are a woman, this would be cool for you. Because I feel like just dropping and hooking is cool. But if you are like, if you know you meant to do other things, I feel like you should just do it. Like, if the opportunity present itself, do it. If it don't do it, you know? If the opportunity does not present itself, I do this. Unless this is something that you want, because this is an investment. This is an investment. If you're going to put the money down, this is definitely an investment, you know? Invest in your future, invest in your life.